you do get 150 brake horsepower.
Lovely stream down there. Well, hello, welcome to Hitching the Ride. Me and my mate Alex, we're on the way to the Isle of Man. Here he is. He's on his very nice looking KTM Superduke R. Look at that. I'm on my Multistrada 950. We're just gonna be riding around the island really, just for a couple of days. No racing on or nothing, but we're just gonna ride round, go down to like Castle Town and Peel Castle, and we'll do like a lap of the TT. But it's just like normal roads, obviously. No racing or nothing. But yeah, it should be good. Nice little couple of days away on the bikes. Where are we now? We're on the A50 at the moment. We've still got another couple of hours to go. That's a 4.5 hour ride for us in total, but we're sort of halfway there. But yeah, it should be good. Looking forward to it. So we'll probably see you next when we get to the boat, I reckon. So we'll see you in a bit. Yeah, we're finally here now at Haitian. Now I've got to check in and get the boat. Had a bit of rain on the way here, so the bike's covered a bit, but ain't too bad. Just got to find our way. What way we got to go here now, mate? Ferry terminal, Isle of Man ferries. Here we go. All port traffic this way. Ferries, here we go. Yeah, lovely. Isle of Man sign up there, look. Check in. Yeah. Yeah, check in here. We'll have to get the old paperwork out, mate. I didn't bring none, did you bring it? Yeah, be alright. Let's hope so. A long way to ride and then to go home again. Hello. Yep. Oh, there's two there, right. Should take the earplugs out.
Have you both been double vaccinated?
Sorry, mate?
Have you both been double vaccinated?
Yeah. There's my one in there. At the back there's paperwork there.
Is this the two of you?
Two, yeah.
Go into lane 6.
Okay.
It should be going up now anyway.
So I just need to just show them and that's it?
They'll take them back off you when you go up.
Yeah, alright. Thanks.
Front of lane 3.
Lane 3. Thanks. Alright, we can get on the boat now. Sorted. Nearly ready, mate?
Alright. Alright, let's go. Sun's come out as well. Oh, what one are we going on? Oh, we are going on that boat. We're going on that one. Right. Right. Alright, at least we're here, we made it on the boat. We'll sit down now and have something to eat and drink. In about 3-4 hours time we'll be in the Isle of Man. Ideal. I've got the things, the chuck things that go in the front wheel on my bike. It's a lot better, mate. You got just a bit of old rope, look. It's only a cheap old bike anyway, innit? So that's alright. Yeah, it's on the top. You bring your trunks, did you? I don't think it's a heated pool though. Excuse me. Thanks. Grab one of these quickly before they go. Yeah, wherever, mate. Yeah. Alright, lovely. We're going to have something to eat now then and drink. I'll see you in a bit. Well, we're here, now pulling in. That little castle there, look, Alex. That little castle there, look.
Yeah.
It's cool, isn't it? Yeah, we're nearly there now. Our B&B is along the front somewhere. I think we're over there somewhere. So we ain't got far to go. We're gonna just get off a boat right along the front and we're there. Our hotel's right next to a pub as well, so it's pretty handy. I have been to this B&B a few times before. I have actually, I've got a website now, and on my website I have got the details to this hotel on there. They've actually got a garage and everything to put your bikes in, so it's ideal. And like I said, there's a pub next door as well, so they get a lot better than that. So if you could check it out on my website, sitchintoride.co.uk. And if any of you know of any B&Bs or hotels anywhere in England or Europe that have got secure parking for motorcycles, then let me know, send me a message and I'll add it to the list, because I want to gradually build a list up, you see, so you know, you can basically just look on there and find yourself a secure parking for your bike, because it's a hell of a job to find it. I always seem to have trouble trying to find somewhere secure for your bike, so if we can gradually build a list up, that'd be good. So yeah, so send us a message and let us know if you know of any.
Lovely, looking forward to it. A couple of days over here on the bikes, it's going to be awesome. Let's hope the weather keeps good. Right. Oh, we're finally here. Awesome. God, smell food. Look forward to having the old pie and chips or steak and chips or something and a couple of pints. Bloody lovely. Get yourself some Isle of Man t-shirts out of that. Oh, here's our Ben Baylor just here. And there's the publet. Ideal. Can't beat that. It's got a car parked. We'll have to just pull them here for now. Have to move a car. Get them in the garage. But yeah, this is the hotel that we're staying in. Obviously with the garage there to put the bikes in, it's ideal. And like I say, this garage is actually, this hotel is actually on my website, so you can check it out if you want. I'll get the address and stuff. Right, we'll see you all in a bit. Well, I thought I'd just show you the room. That's pretty nice, it's all clean and tidy. Got a little bathroom in there. That's quite a good sized room. It's quite cheap here as well. You're paying like £65 a night. Then you get a garage, put your bikes in. Pub next door. Nice seafront. What more could you ask for?